Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a line graph, which is measuring the numbers of 3D movies released over time, or it's marked by year. We're asked between which two consecutive years was there the greatest change in the number of 3D movies released. So the greatest change is going to correlate with the greatest rate of change, right, is another way to put this. The greatest change, the greatest rate of change is going to be the greatest slope. So what does it mean for this to be the greatest slope? That means it's the highest absolute value of the slope. Okay, so if it was a slope like this and like this slope has a larger value, right? Let's say this slope was 2 and this one was -10. 2 is bigger than -10, but -10 is a greater slope because its absolute value, we can think of it as its steepness, is a lot larger. So in this case, we don't have to count the rate of change and find the slope of all these different line segments. We just have to say, okay, looking for the greatest change, that's going to be the steepest slope, right? So it could be positive or negative, but the only negative slope I can really see here is this, and this is not very steep at all. So really our only two contenders are this line and this line. And you can see from 2008 to 2009, we go from about 15, from in this point, goes to about 15. This one's about 30, so that's a change of 15 for 2008 to 2009. And this one goes from about 35 to 60. 35 to 60, and again, I'm just getting the values roughly from these points. Doesn't have to be super accurate. From 35 to 60 is a change of 25, so it goes 25 in 2010 to 2011. 25 is bigger than 15, so D, 2010 to 2011 was the greatest change in the number of 3D movies released.